morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
So, what did we discuss yesterday? Can anyone remind me? Tell me.
Algebraic.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, yourself. Very good.
algebraic expression, sir.
Algebraic expression. Yes.
Sir, and numbers, sir.
Very, very good. Like terms and unlike terms. What else? Yes, come in.
And addition.
Addition of two expressions. Very good.
Subtraction.
And also the subtraction of two expressions or more expressions. Yes. Multiplications we did not discuss here. We are going to discuss.
Sir, we added the two algebraic expressions.
Yes, yes, we added two algebraic expressions. Very, very good. So today, after addition, after subtraction, we are going to deal with multiplication of expressions. Okay. Especially today, we are going to deal the multiplication of two monomials or more than two monomials. Let us look into it. First of all, I need an example, quick example from you. A monomials example.
10 by
Yes, louder.
10 by minus 9 by
10 by
minus 9 by
minus 9 by. Okay, sit down. Yes. Okay. 10 by minus 9 by is an expression of how many terms? How many terms? Two terms. This is an expression of two terms. When an expression contains two terms, what does it called?
It's a binomial.
Very, very good. Binomial. So, you have given me an example of binomial. I asked you the example of monomial. Reduce the number of terms. Yes. Yes.
10 by
10 by
9x
comma
Comma.
9.
9x. Okay, very good. Come on. Yes, yes, yes. Settle down, children. So, 10 by comma 9x. These are two monomials because separate terms having only one term. Okay, two monomials. We are dealing with multiplication of two monomials. What happens when we multiply them? That means 10 by into 9x. How to
90
multiply
by
them? Yes, yes.
90 by x
90 by x. Very good. So, what are we doing? xy. Very good. What are we doing here? 10 into 9. We are multiplying all the constants in the expression each monomial. That is, here 10 is the constant before the variable. Here 9 is the constant before the variable. We are going to multiply 10 into 9. 10 into 9. How much?
90
Very good. 90.
xy
Yes, we are going to multiply the variable part, alphabetical part. Okay. What happens? Y into x. Yx.
4xy
If you want, you can also write
xy
xy. I already told you 2 into 5 is same as
5 into 2
using the commutative property. Okay. But textbook person will prefer this. It is nothing wrong to write in this way. Even this is right. You have the right to write this. So textbook person will prefer this because he wants to arrange the alphabets in the order. X comes first. That's why he writes. For having the unity in the answer, he writes X first. Afterwards Y. Okay. Let us take another example. Similar to that, 10y into 9y I take.
90 by square
Yes, louder.
90 by square
90y square. Very good. What to be done? 10 into 9.
90
90.
y square
Y into y.
y square
Y square. Can anyone one, give me the reason why y into y became y square. Yes, louder, louder, let me know.
Sir, the power of y is equals to 1 and another y is equals to 1. 1 into 1 plus 1, 2.
Very good, very good. 1 plus 1, 2. The power of y equals to 1. Even the power of y equals to 1. 1 plus 1 you have done.
n plus n is equals to
Yes, yes, very good. He is saying the generalized formula of multiplication having the same basis. Sit down, sit down. Same basis. That means here it is y, here also it is y. When you have the same basis, with having same number of powers or different number of powers, whatever they are, you are going to put the same base again and add these both.
A power
Understood?
of 5.
A power m into a power n equals to a power
Power and
m plus m. Very good. Using this property, we are going to say y power 1 into y power 1 equals to y power 1 plus 1 equals to 2.
2.
That is why we have got the answer as
90
y square. Be careful. Y square. Let me give another example similar to that. Yes. How many monomials are there here? Two monomials. One is minus 10xy, another one is 3x. Two monomials, we are doing multiplication between them. Just like that case only. Here, now this
minus
guy.
30 square y.
Yes, louder.
Minus 30 x square y.
Minus 30
X square y.
x square y. Yes. Explain it. Very good. No. You said the correct answer. Explain that how the minus 30 x square y came. Yes, you are right. 10 into 30. Is it 30 or minus 30?
Minus
Yes,
30.
how did the minus 30 came?
Minus 10 into 3.
Minus 10 into 3.
Yes, let him tell. Minus 10 into 3. How much?
Minus 30.
Minus 30. So your part of multiplication of constants is over. You are going to multiply the algebraic part, the alphabetical part. Yes. X into x,
X square.
2x.
X
Yes. Become. Do not get confused. X into x,
X square.
x square. And another y is there. You are going to put that in multiplication as it is. As this is multiplication. Okay. So x into x, how much?
X square.
2x or x square?
X square.
2x or x square?
X square.
Very good. Just like 5 into 5. 5 square equals to 25. 5 plus 5 is different. That is 2 into 5. Done. This is different. And this is different. X into x. X square. X plus x. 2x. Clear? X plus x. 2x. When it comes to the addition or subtraction, generally the constant before them will increase. When it comes to the multiplication, the powers of the variable will increase. Using that a power m into a power n formula. Clear? Yes. Minus 30x square. Sit down. Just like said by him, minus 10 into 30 you are going to do as it should be multiplied between the constants. Okay. Minus 10 into 3. How much?
Minus 30.
Minus 30. X into x.
X square.
As this whole lies in the multiplication, you are going to put that y in the multiplication. Understood? So minus 30x square y. Let me give another example. Yes, you're most welcome. Come in.
Here.
Take the chart. Look at that solving. Look how she solves each step. While solving these expressions, you do not need to hurry in solving. Take one step after one step. Okay. Some people are telling direct answers. I'm so happy about them, but you may make mistakes. But yes, over. Yes. Good. Thank you. So what she has done, just like following the procedure, she has multiplied the constants before the monomial. What are the constants? 2
Minus 8.
minus 8. Clearly look into that, children. Minus 8. It's not normal plus 8. If you say it is 8, then it will be considered as plus 8. So it is minus 8. Okay. 2 into minus 8. How much? Minus 16. Very good. Your part of multiplying the constants is over. Okay. Let us look into the another variable. X square. Multiply to any x in this. X power 4. So x square multiplied to x power 4.
X power 6.
How much?
X power 6.
X power 6. That is x power 2 plus 4. X power 6. Clear? That is how this x power 6 came. Next, she has taken another variable z. Z means, what is the power of z in this?
1.
Very good. Z power 1 is nothing but normal z. Okay. Z into z cube. Z cube.
Z
How
power
much?
4.
Very good. Z into z cube. Z power 1 plus 3. That is
Z power
z
4.
power 4. So z power 4. Another variable is there. Y cube. But there is no other y variable in the first monomial. Monomial expressions. That's why you are going to put that y cube in the multiplication of the entire remaining term. Understood? This is how you are going to multiply two monomials. Write down faster. Little steps are only there. Children, focus on the formula of a power m into a power n. This formula is going to help you in an effective way of solving the multiplications. This little formula will be there for the entire chapter. So it's an easy formula, remember, and apply whenever it should be used. A power m into a power n equals to a power m plus n. This formula. You have read this about you have read about this in your 7th class already. All the exponents and powers chapter. Over. Children, look here. How many expressions we are multiplying? How many types of expressions we are multiplying? Yes, louder. You are right. Yes. Multiplying monomial by monomial. That is why all these given examples contain two monomials. Yes. Read out. Your wish.
So, there into a why we have to write m plus n? We can write mn also.
Mn, that is different case. Yes, very good doubt. There is another formula for Mn. What is that?
M plus
A power m whole power n. If your base contains a power and the power is again applied on that entire base, okay, then those two parts will come as a bar mn. Understood? It will be the answer just like you said. This we are not going to use in this chapter, but for your reference I am telling you. Majority cases this formula comes into play. Yes, shall I have the board?
Yes.
So far we have seen how to multiply two monomials. What if more than two monomials should be multiplied at once? Let us see that. Before me actually going into that, let me tell you this. 2 into 3. You will tell. What is the answer? 6. Very good. Suppose I extended the multiplication by multiplying another 3.
30.
What do you do? 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 5, 30. Very good. You can directly do the multiplication. Or you can make steps also. Like, first you will be multiplying 2 into 3 and thereby you can multiply 5. Doing multiplication at once is also acceptable, it is right. Even doing multiplication by step is also acceptable, that is right. That is what we are going to see. According to your comfortability, according to your speed of math, you can do that. Yes, multiplying monomial by monomial. Now it is monomials by monomial. Let us see, 2 or more monomials. I need a monomial example. Yes. One monomial example. 9y. Sit down. Yes, another monomial example. 10x. Very good. Sit down. Another monomial example. 3y. Very good. Sit down. So far, we have multiplied only 2 monomials. Now we are interested in multiplying 3 monomials.
Sir, 3y, then 9y
Yes.
is binomial.
What?
Then 9y and 3y is binomial.
9y and 3y are binomials.
There are
Give me an example of binomial.
9y plus
No, do not look there. You give the fresh example of binomial.
11y square,
11y square. Very good.
5y square.
5y square. Look at here. Monomials are added or subtracted. Then it becomes binomial. Is there any plus sign or minus sign in this? No. We are just multiplying the monomials. Okay. If at all they are separated by plus sign or minus, then according to the number of terms, we are going to call it as binomial if there are 2 terms, trinomial if there are 3 terms. Clear? Yes? Yes, very good. More than 3 means, what is the more than 3 means? What is the expression's name? Polynomial or multinomial. Both the same. So, they are not going to deal about the binomials in this class. We will do that in the next class. Let us look into the monomials multiplication. Okay? So, similar thing you are going to do. Multiplying the constants first. 9 into 10.
90.
Very good. 90 into 30. 270. Very good. So, okay. One second. Luckily, we are done with all positive signs. Suppose if there is minus 3y.
Minus
Then,
270.
first of all, before multiplying the constants, you multiply the symbols. Okay, 3 steps. So far we are doing with 2 steps. If at all it is the case of minus sign involving, you are going to do that in 3 steps. That is what? Plus into plus. How much?
Plus.
Plus. Plus into minus.
Minus.
Minus. Very good.
Minus 270.
Now multiply the constants.
Minus
Minus 2
9
times 7.
into 10.
90.
90 into 3.
270.
Very good. 270. Now
Y
go for
square
the
by
each
square
variable,
plus
each variable multiplication. Whatever the all the variable consists, go for each variable. Do not hurry. Do not go for 2 variables at a time. Go for 1 variable at a time. Select the variable.
X.
Y. Y into X. It will come as YX. You don't include this. Y into Y.
Y square.
Very good. Y square.
Y square X.
So another variable remain with us is X. Very good. So I'm going to write this as
X
X
Y
Y
square.
square. Both are same. Just for the alphabetic order, I'm writing this. Okay. Next problem. Observe the 3 monomials, children. Observe the 3 monomials. Yes, who is going to help me? First of all, the sign multiplication.
Sir, then minus.
Sign multiplication.
Minus.
Minus.
Minus into plus.
Minus.
Minus into minus.
Plus.
So overall sign of this product is
Plus.
very good. Plus.
150.
Now constants
10
multiplication.
10
10 into 3.
30.
30 into 5.
150.
Very good. Louder.
150.
150. Now go for the variable, each variable.
X
Take
X
x
power
variable.
8.
Take x variable.
X power
X power
8.
7 into, no mention this. So
X
consider
power
this.
8. X power 8.
Louder.
X power 8.
X power 8, very good. Because x power 7 into x power 1 is 7
X
plus
power
1.
8.
Very
Y
good.
power
Go for
3.
the
Y power 3.
y power 3. Very good.
Z power 7.
Very good. Oh. Yes, sir. Yes, that is how we are going to multiply. Now, for that very problem, I am going to make small change. Follow the same procedure, it's easy. What is the difference between this and this?
Z power 7.
Z power 7, nice observation. The Z variable is occurring in all three monomials. Okay, that is why I have given that problem. Let us see how it comes.
Plus.
Minus into plus.
Minus.
Minus into plus. Very
Minus.
good. Minus into minus.
Plus.
Very good. Now, 10 into 3.
30.
30 into 5.
150.
150. Very good. Now, x
X
power
power
7.
8. X
X
power 8.
power 8 because there is no extra in the middle one.
Y power
Y power 3.
3.
Yes.
Z power 11.
Very good. Single Z means the Z bar 1 is there already. So 1 plus 3 plus 7. 1 plus 3 plus 7. How much? Z bar 11. Note down these problems quickly. That is how you are going to multiply any monomial given to you. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Just going.
Okay.
Write down, note down, write down. Over. Yes. 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 No, algebraic expressions are of three kinds: monomial, binomial, trinomial. They are only dealing with the multiplication of monomials always. We are looking for the binomials multiplication in tomorrow's class.
Sorry, you can drop, sir.
Okay, chill. Children, look here. 5x into 5y. What is the product? Yes, louder, faster. 25x5. Very good. So, if you look at the results of multiplying monomials, only monomials, what are the number of monomials you multiply? Here I multiplied 2 monomials. Here I multiplied 3 monomials. If I multiply more than 3, just like 2x, 2y, 3z, 3l. Yes, louder.
X and y means y sir x will come. X into y means y x y will come. Any other alphabet cannot come, sir.
Yes. If it all already x involved in the second term, then you are going to use the formula. So here these are different variables. Just like I told you on the in that class. Yes. Suppose in the place of x, you are going to take 8. In the place of y, you are going to take 2. Multiplication of 8 and 2 can be written as 16. Likewise, you cannot bring an alphabet which is equal to xy because x bar something will come, y bar something will come. At that time also you need to assign some values. Avoiding that confusion, this simple representation will be good for us. Just like 8 into 2, we'll write multiplication of 8 and 2, we'll be writing 8 into 2 or 8.2. You can consider xy as x dot y. Like that. Understood? Yes.
Multiplication, sir.
Louder, yeah.
Multiplication, addition, again, always after
Yes, very good doubt. That we are going to learn in the tomorrow's class. When we deal with the binomials, we are going to learn how addition comes into play with the multiplication. We'll see that. There is term addition will be there. Term subtraction will be there. We'll look into that in the tomorrow's class. So, children, focus here. Yes, 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. 1 into 3, 36. X into y?
That's why.
Into z into l.
That's why
You can directly write it as
L.
very good. So here I multiplied 4 terms, 4 monomials. Here I multiplied 2 monomials. Here I multiplied
3
monomials. But every time I am getting the result as a monomial. So you are going to focus that how many number of monomials you multiplied is doesn't matter. You will get the answer as monomial. at last. Okay? The result in this is a monomial, this is a monomial, this is a monomial. What do you get the answer as if you multiply monomials? Monomial you will get. Okay? That is what I am going to say. Let us discuss what we have discussed today from the starting. Okay? We have multiplied. Yes?
You are telling me we can multiply any two monomials become monomial.
It's not only two monomials. How many number of monomials you multiply, you will get single monomial. Yes.
But we do division means it will become binomial, sir.
We are not dealing with division.
I know.
Yes.
When we do,
When we do,
it will become binomial.
no, not at all. Not at all.
It will become monomial.
Yes, again the monomial will come. Just like see. 5 power x power 4. Okay. 5 power x power 3. This time we are going to use a power m divided by a power n formula. In that case, 5 cancels. Okay. X power 4 minus 3. M minus n. Then it is x. Again you got the monomial. We are not dealing with the divisions here, just for the clarification I told you. But focus on the multiplication of monomials. Again you will get a monomial. So what did we discuss? Starting, we multiplied two monomials. How to multiply two monomials? Multiplying the constants and then variables. If there is involvement of minus sign, multiply the signs first and then constants and then variables. Okay? If it is three monomials, you are going to do the same. You can do it in two ways. At once you can multiply, every time I am multiplying like that. Right? Minus 10 into 3 into minus 5. X power 7 into x. Like that I am multiplying. If at all you are confused, you just multiply this and this first and then you will get a single monomial and again multiply that 2 minus 5x power x z power 7. In that way you can multiply. Multiplying two or more monomials will get a
Single monomial.
Very good. We discuss about the multiplication of binomials in the tomorrow's class. Thank you, children.
Thank you, sir.